I'm Oliver. I'm working for Denon, Marantz, or let's say even Sound United, taking care of Polk and Definitive loudspeakers as well. We are today here at the high-end show, and we built some nice Denon word, Marantz word, and Definitive word, and I'm just going to show you around a bit, right? So it's a DI800. It's a stereo receiver with network capability. So that's the first product which has the two-channel amplification in our hi-fi lineup, already integrating the HEOS network platform. So we can stream all the online content from Spotify, Tidal, Amazon Prime, and so on. And you can also have your ecosystem having wireless multi-room. Inside construction is very nice. It's really hi-fi-like. It's not just an AV receiver, which is stripped down. No, it's a real hi-fi product. However, it features also HDMI inputs, so it's very flexible in the connectivity you can do. Right?
Okay, what is the retail price?
Retail price will be €599.
€599.
Yeah.
Okay, so a streamer, great amp section as well. I see here. It also has DAB Plus for customers that are interested on that as well.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
And a Spotify Connect, I guess, so
of
it
course.
can go directly.
Yeah, Spotify Connect.
And then I see AirPlay 2, HEOS, so a lot of features for not much money.
Exactly. So it's a real one-product solution which offers you good hi-fi quality, from out of one box. So it's very nice, interesting product. I'm very proud of it, having it in the lineup.
Actually, tell us that's the 9200, right?
Right, correct. It's now the AHD 9200. So it's our new flagship headphone, and of course it has very similar shape or design like you find on the already very well received 5200. However, we put a lot of more effort in this product to make it even sound much better. Of the outer part of the cap. So this is real bamboo, which is very extensive treated to get a really nice stiff character to it, but keeping a nice touch and feel still on the outside. Yeah, the internal drivers are optimized with free edge. Having a pistol movement, which gives you a very nice open sound image, and the cabling has been improved to really get the maximum out of these headphones.
Okay. Yeah. Pricing was around 1,500.
That's correct. Yeah, it's about €1,500.
Perfect. So I'm guessing that Denon is actually focusing a lot in headphones lately.
We learned our lessons. We had some. We have been very strong in the past with headphones, and we had a little dip because we tried a different strategy. But now we are back to our roots, so really going into the mid to high class headphone market. And very nicely how successful we are right now.
I think with Denon now we can go maybe to the AVRs. That's what Denon is also very famous.
Exactly. For. Yeah. I have to say we don't have so many AVRs here on display. It's a 4500.
Okay.
6500. So we have the 6500 over here on the display. In the cinema itself, we are running the 8500, also our flagship AV receiver, with a 13.2 setup. So we do real cinema execution here in our demo. And we do aromatic, we do of course Atmos, we do DTS, and we also have IMAX now, IMAX Enhanced. So it's all on demonstration. It's a pity that you can't listen to it now via the presentation here, so via the recording. But I can tell you, if you see the people sitting in the demonstration, they all have a big smile on their face.
So I was going to say, Denon usually releases AVRs every year. I mean, there's usually an update every year. When should we expect the 6600s? Something that you could discuss, or I don't know.
Yeah, so I can't tell you too much about it. So at the moment we don't have any 16600 here on display, as you see, and I can't tell you really when the new model will come. But I can tell you we are working on it.
Yeah, of course.
So I think you're already aware of. We have two of these in the lineup: the DP400, and we have the DP400 in the lineup, and also the DP450. The later one does come with USB connectivity so that you can even digitalize your vinyls. Yeah?
What price point are these products? 400 and 450?
We're talking about 499 and 599 in the price tag. It's available in white and also in black. Yeah, it comes fully pre-installed with a cartridge, but of course you still have your flexibility to upgrade by different cartridges.
New product from Marantz,
New
right?
product from Marantz, yeah, just launched to the market. It's the so-called Melody X. It's a very nice product which really integrates everything, you can say. Yeah, so we have amplification, CD, FM, DAB, and of course network capabilities. Again, with our HEOS network technology, means you get access to all kind of music services. You have all voice control, if you like. So you have AirPlay, you have Bluetooth. It's all covered. The nice thing is that in the system we combine it with true hi-fi audio quality. You know? The speciality is that in this little system 4 amplifiers are working. Yeah? And we can use them in different forms. One use case, for example, is speaker A, speaker B. Yeah? Connecting 2 pair of speakers, running the same source, but having individual volume settings. Yeah? So if you have it in your living room and your kitchen, you can adjust the volume like you want to have it. If you say, I'm just going to connect 1 pair of speakers and I really would like to get the maximum quality out of it, we have put in a new mode which is called parallel BTL. Now, by that we use these 4 amplifiers integrated to really give the unit a stronger impression. Yeah? So improves the audio quality. You can easily derive big speakers. Yeah, if you go, for example, to Sate and ask the guys what they think about, so just to explain, Sate is our distributor in Spain. They did very crazy stuff in their office, really driving big speakers, and they have been really impressed.
They really have a lot of high-end stuff.
Exactly, yeah. So, and that proves already what this little thing can do.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just surprised at the form factor that it has. And so, CD player, network capabilities, great system, everything for $799.
Yeah.
Something that Marantz usually, I mean, it's something
you normally don't get for that money.
I mean, you're getting so much value.
Yeah, it's really a lot of value for money. If you say, I don't need any network connectivity, I'm just fine with having CD and DAB and having Bluetooth streaming, then there's another version. It's called the MCR 412, which doesn't have the network capability, but all the other good features. So that's a very nice system actually to replace an entry type of hi-fi system. So now we are here in the Marantz world, as you already experienced with the MCR. The very proud system I'm very proud of is the 8006, which you can see over here. We have the amplifier and the ND 8006, which is a combination of network and CD player. So very successful. Last year it got the ISO award as best European system. What is really new now for this year, coming in autumn time, is the first stereo receiver of Marantz. It's the NR 1200, which actually has a very nice slim form factor, but real hi-fi ingredients inside. And as you can see as well, we have direct tone control and balance access, so as you know it from a hi-fi amplifier. But it will also have network connectivity with HEOS again, AirPlay, Bluetooth. We have the HDMI inputs, so you can connect your TV if you like. And it's very easy to set up because actually you don't have to do any setup. It's just plug and play. Yeah, you don't have to adjust how many speakers you have or the volume or whatsoever, speaker levels.
So it's a very intelligent, smart system. And what is the price more or less of this?
This little system is $599 for the amplifier, and of course you can connect.
Extremely competitive.
The nice.
Extremely competitive.
CD player to it. You're seeing here the AV receiver beast of Marantz. It's the SR8012. That's actually also the one we are using here in our cinema for demonstration. If you look inside, that's a flagship receiver of Marantz. It's €3,000. But if you look inside, you immediately get why it is a bit more expensive than the standard stuff. Yeah. Just in the center, we have a very big toroidal transformer, which is the heart of the receiver with a strong power supply. We have 2 separate heat sinks for the overall 11 channels, 5 on this side, 6 on the other side. So you really can make a big home cinema setup with that one. going from be it 7.2.4 if you use 4 ceiling speakers, or you do a 5.2.6. It's up to what you like. And if you look to the technology side, supported formats, it's all in. You have Dolby Atmos, of course, DTSX, Oro 3D, and the latest we got into it's IMAX enhanced as a certification.
It looks like it's an amazing kit. I mean, Axel here está las características que tiene. In terms of, then this was the 8012, and then there are other products
below,
below it, more affordable.
More affordable. If you go one step down, you have the SR7013, and then 6013. 5013, and then you come to these slimline receivers called NRF 1609 and 1509.
So for the AV receivers, at what price point does Marantz start on?
We start at 749.
749, it just goes...
and then it goes up,
Goes up. If you need big, hungry speakers with great technology, you just move to the upper level.
If you look for a nice solution for your living room, test out the NR series, the slim profile. Don't get fooled by the low height. These units are really powerful and really also feature the Marantz DNA when it comes to audio quality. If you are going to build a bigger cinema, or if you want to have let's say a full surround setup with high speakers and strong performance requests, you go up to the SR series, and then you can if you really want to go crazy, you go to the AV separates. So we also have these AV processor plus power amps, separate components.
For every speaker you have a different.
Yeah.